I have Oppo F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're in camera you just have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. Right now I just took 20 burst shots, and by tapping on this icon here you can review these shots and select the one you like the most. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.